Chris Chalk. I'm the training director here at the Madison County Fire Department. And one thing, that whenever there might happen to be a fire anywhere out in the public, or maybe even at your home, that a lot of people tend to overlook is the simple fire extinguisher. But we need to remember that they're there, and they're there for a reason. They're there for the initial stages of a fire, and they can really help us out. So one thing you always want to do is always be sure to call, get somebody calling, even really before you attempt, because the quicker we can get there, the better off things are going to be. With fire extinguishers, though, there's a few things we need to think about to be able to use them properly. One thing is the PASS acronym. All right, so the PASS, P-A-S-S, means we want to pull the pin, first thing you do. Then we want to aim. You want to aim the nozzle at the base of the flames, not up in the fire or at the top of the flames, but at the base of the fire. And you want to squeeze the trigger and then sweep. With a sweeping motion, we just push the fire right off of the fuel and your fire should go out.